Bangladesh, a land wrapped in green, filled with humes of birds, gentle waves of river, calm skies, and cool breeze. Life here flows with simplicity and peace. This land, with its gentle way of life, is precious. But this balance, this beauty, is slipping away. Now, traffic jams choke even the villages. Pollution sleeps over, and the sound of nature are fading behind the noise of motors. The village feels the weight of unplanned development, and health suffers. The outdated systems struggle to keep up. Traffic infrastructure is not yet advanced enough to protect people from pollution. Old vehicles fill the narrow roads, and simple solution seems far out of reach. But there is a path forward. Modern vehicles, expanded roads, improved traffic systems, these changes can restore balance. Sustainable development, clean energy, and green solutions can bring life back to the villages. Bangladesh can be known for its green, vibrant, and serenity once more.